read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, Alhamdulillah. So, what are the learning outcomes of number 9? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 9. Order and sequence numbers to 9. So, first of all, we will develop the sense of counting objects, how to count. After that, we will teach how to trace it. Now, it's very easier for the children to recognize the number. So, let's start. Count with me. How many bees are there? Student will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bees. 9 bees. Okay, now you could take different things from the class. You could call the girls and tell them how to count. Draw some things on the whiteboard, like you could draw 9 pencils, 9 crayon colors, 9 kites. Okay, after that, some girls will come and they will count. You will ask, count the kites. How many kites are there? They will count. How many crayon colors are there? You will draw the colors and the girls will count. 9 bees make a buzzing, bouncing beat. 9 bees make a buzzing, bouncing beat. Now, we all will do action like that. Bounce up and down while making buzzing sound. Bounce up and down while making a buzzing sound. Okay, after that, now your students are able to count the objects. We will teach them how to trace number 9. Start from the red dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down. It will make number 9. It will make number 9. Start from the red dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down. It will make number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. Very good. Which number is this? It is number 9. 9 bees. Very good. 9 kites. Very good. So, it's very easier to teach to the student by using these things that are present in your environment or your classroom. 9 little bees, yellow and black. 9 little bees, yellow and black, with tiny wings up their back, flying high and flying low, making honey as they go, making honey as they go. 9 little bees, yellow and black, with tiny wings upon their back, flying high and flying low, making honey as they go, making honey as they go. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.